Where do you study?
I am a student at Stanford University.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 6:40 am.
What kind of work do you do?
I'm unemployed at the moment.
Are you married?
No, but I'm in a relationship.
Where did you learn English?
I picked it up from movies and songs.
What do you do in your free time?
I do volunteer work.
How's the weather?
It's quite cold. Make sure to wear warm clothing.
How are you feeling?
A little depressed.
Did you like the movie?
It was terrible.
I had to work 20 hours yesterday.
That's crazy.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
What's wrong with you?
I have a stomach ache after breakfast.
What would you like to drink?
Beer, thanks.
You get to eat more.
No thanks, I'm full.
You look pale today.
I did not sleep, and I did not eat breakfast.
Wait for a moment outside the room.
When can I come in?
Is everybody here?
Mary is not here.
Please come again next week.
I will.
Please give me a receipt.
No problem.
When is your birthday?
May 27th.
How much is the furniture?
More than $10,000.
When will you go?
At 9 o'clock tomorrow.
Bring him a bottle of wine.
He never drinks.
Which line can I take to get there?
Line 2.
How did you come here?
By taxi.
Can I smoke here?
No, you can't.
Have you ordered the birthday cake?
Sorry, I forgot about it.
What's your name?
My name is Jones.
How old are you?
I'm 28.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on January 1st.
What company do you work for?
I work for an investment bank.
What religion are you?
I am a Christian.
Where are you from?
I come from America.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
What kinds of films do you like?
I am really interested in horror and action films.